This is a tutorial describing how to change the language in Campus Extension. Log into Campus Extension and then click on the down arrow next to your name or photo in the upper right corner. Click on Preferences. A new window will open for setting preferences in the user account. Click on Preferred Language. A small window will open. Click on the window to view a list of available languages. Make a selection and then save changes. You will be taken back to your profile page. On your profile page is the navigation block located on the left side. This is where you have a quick link to return to the main page of the course. If you click on the small arrow next to My Courses, a list will drop open and show the courses you are enrolled. You can also use the breadcrumbs at the top of the page by clicking on the word Home. You have changed the preferred language in your profile. Now you can right-click anywhere in an open space on the main screen. A box will open. Select Translate to. If you have changed your preferences to Spanish in your profile, the prompt will say, Translate to Spanish. Each time you open a lesson, you can right-click on a clear space and select Translate to. This action must be repeated on each page that is open. The videos will not translate to another language.